Hello, good afternoon, good morning. My name is Daniel Berth, co-founder and CEO at Agave Networks, the excess material business-to-business matching and tracking platform. Did you know that approximately 5% of all your manufacturing produce is wasted every year? Well, you're not alone. Just in the UK, more than 12 million tons of valuable excess materials are wasted each year in the manufacturing industry that could still be repurposed, reused, or recycled. 75% of all your excess materials that you are throwing into a landfill can still be repurposed. Nevertheless, they still end up being wasted. What's the problem? Well, there's no connection between those excess material and their potential values in the market. That's why we created Agave Networks, the business-to-business matching and tracking marketplace for the manufacturing industry. But first of all, why go circular? Well, first of all, to be cost effective, because you're generating revenue from materials that previously considered waste. You're generating carbon savings by saving CO2 emissions and energy on the materials being repurposed. And again, you're creating what we call a policy innovator, as right now, the policies are being written in order to help manufacturers reduce their emissions by becoming waste zero waste by 2030. So our mission is to enable SME manufacturers to achieve net zero waste through excess resources reallocation. So how do we work? First, we create a digital passport where we collect data around the excess materials that you're generating. We match them with potential users in the market, and we track them using our digital passports technology. So here's how it looks, our creation of the material digital passport, where we can upload this data automated by your ERP or create that manually. On that excess material, we include the material name, description, images, dates, and composition, in general, all critical information from your excess materials. Then we match them to potential users in the market, take into account the waste hierarchy, and of course, always optimizing costs and revenue by optimizing, again, distances and logistics to create the lowest net impact of your waste. And we just only work with regulatory players in the market, as other manufacturers, whether redistribution, charities, processing plants, or even other companies that can repurpose your waste. And at the end, thanks to our material digital passports, we track those excess material transformation all in our platform. While with your benefit, you save costs by, again, repurposing previously considered waste materials. You earn visibility for excess material flows, and you take a step further into your net zero waste strategy. We take a commission per transaction, and we take a commission fee, a monthly subscription fee for the aggregation and matching services of your excess materials. We're working together with a couple of corporates around the UK and EU, including Anthesis, Value Chain, and the National Industrial Symbiosis Program. And we are working with other waste management companies like Suez, and we have the support from the Grantham Institute of Climate Change and Real London, the KTN Network, and we are community members of the Ellen MacArthur Foundation. And of course, we're members of the MSDU UK Acceleration Program. How can we work together? Where our plan is to work with you on a 3-month pilot test from May to August, in order to get the most out of the conversation, developing our platform, and to launch our platform early September, end of August this year. Who are we? We're two brothers and co-founders, Emmanuel Berth, the hacker, with more than 3 years of experience in full stack development, machine learning, and crypto, and myself, the hustler, serial entrepreneur with experience in health tech, fintech, and innovation consultancy. We have experience in developing and scaling another business in the UK, in the distribution of excess finished products in the manufacturing industry, where we decided that this problem required a more scalable technology solution like what we are right now, Agave Networks. We have the support from the Chief Supply Chain Officer at Imperial Brands, who previously worked with the head of ESG at Unilever to support the corporate achieve net zero waste. And we have the support from faculty members from Imperial College Business School the Grand Family Institute of Climate Change, and the KTN Network from the UK. So thank you very much for taking the time. We'd like to be interested to have another call with you to show you our demo and how can we support your corporate achieve net zero waste. Thank you very much.